All right, so many of you are asking for a SnowSEO and ZeroRank of comparison versus video. So we're going to get started. Obviously, I've done full reviews of both of these softwares. I'll leave links below so you can go and check those out. I've got full access to like their highest tiers, and I've already kind of taken them for a spin. Both have very similar UIs. They just have really, really nice modern UIs, UX as well. I didn't have any like speed issue. They're very, very fast. They seem to be very high quality tools. So that's kind of where that goes. But remember, if you want to look at the full in-depth reviews, I've got links to those below. This is actually going to be taking you through actually just comparing all of the main points. I broke this down. I've spent the last hour really diving into each software, taking time and thinking about it, trying to remember what each one was like, pulling up both pages and so forth. And hopefully you'll get value from this comparison video. Okay, so we're going to start with pricing. And I gave 5 stars to SnowSEO and I gave 4 stars to ZeroRank. One thing to note is when we come over here to SnowSEO and we go down into the pricing section, you'll notice that you go all in at $469. You get a lot with that for that $469. Whereas ZeroRank, I mean, in this case, you just have to know that if you're going to max, you're going to go all out, you're going to be at $1,200 right here. So it's kind of hard to tell what that all in means, right? I mean, that's 3 times more expensive than, if we're just looking at tier 4, $499, tier 4 over here, $469. So if you kind of looked at those, it would be kind of a tie. But at the end of the day, I'm going to go ahead and just give the SnowSEO just a little bit for like what you get as far as just the overall software and the pricing. They're maxing out at $469. And so, like I said, I just gave a slight edge to SnowSEO because the pricing for ZeroRank all in is $1,200. It's just a little bit out there. For both these softwares, I gave them both a 5-star rating for the UI UX. I had no problems with either software. They both have extremely similar. I mean, look at this AI visibility overview, right? I'm just going to show you what this looks like right over here. You've got this, SnowSEO is more of your traditional SEO tool that does have a lot of AI visibility also built in. That's your AI, AEO and your GEO. But you get this competitor, but they're just very similar. Go to ZeroRank, look at this right here, go to overview. Very similar, dashboards, very similar UIs right here. Okay, so I'm going to go like that. So that's why I gave them both 5 stars on that. Speed, I gave them both 5 stars as well. I believe both of these softwares I did end up giving 5 stars in my reviews, but this is going to break them down very intricately, and you have to kind of see where I'm coming from on this point. So they're not going to get 5 stars. I don't think either one of these is not going to get 5 stars in this comparison video because I really am stretching out and really trying to be as intricate as I can, and I'm grading, being even more strict, right? They're both, in my opinion, 5-star tools, if that makes sense. I don't think you can go wrong with getting either one. I'll just get that out of the way. But this breakdown video is for those of you that may have one or the other and you're wondering if you need the other one, or if you already have another tool. For example, what is the other one, like Semdash, Ranklytics, all these other really good tools that have come out in the last year on Appsumo that are SEO tools. Maybe you have one of those and maybe you're trying to decide if you should get one of these as well. So that's kind of why I'm making this video, and that's why I'm breaking it down like this. So these are all the standard things right here. So now we're going to get into longevity. I gave 4 stars to SnowSEO and I gave 3 stars to ZeroRank. Now this part is a little subjective. And let me show you kind of what I do. So I go in here and I look and I like to see, for example, SnowSEO, it's been around for 2 years, right? So October, you have 25, 26. So it's been around for almost 2 years. But this, it's based out of India. It's a small team. It could be 1 or 2 or 3 people, right? And it's still in the growth bootstrapped phase right there. And then when we come over here, one thing I didn't do is go over, and I like to look at the traffic on the home page. A lot of times that really influences my opinion. So it's 13,000 right there. And then ZeroRank, we like to come in here and it's only like, it's not even a year old. And you just have to take it for what it is, right? But I really liked this guy. I did a deep dive on him. I checked out his LinkedIn page, watched his video, and you get a a good sense, but they're both in growth bootstrapped, right? So there's not a whole lot of difference between the two. And then when you come over here, I'm going to go back up here and I just want to click on ZeroRank and see what their traffic is right there. And so they're at 3,000. So you kind of take both into account. I feel good about both, but I just gave the slight edge. I really am trying to, I don't want to give a tie on everything, right? So I'm really trying to look at it like which one, I've had experiences with both, had a little bit more of the customer support kind of angle with SnowSEO, feeling really good about that tool. And it's been around for about a year or longer. And they have more traffic. And so that's a little bit of the reason why I'm giving the 4 stars to SnowSEO and keeping this just at a 3-star as ZeroRank. Okay. And then founder confidence, I gave a 4-star to SnowSEO. And for ZeroRank, I gave it 5 stars, believe it or not, because of just doing that research. Like I told you, I really felt good about the founder of ZeroRank and their track record, the LinkedIn history, all the jobs they've had and everything. They just seemed like they really, really built this tool and they really care about AEO SEO. Customer support have had an amazing experience with SnowSEO, so they're getting 5 stars. And I'm going to give 5 stars to ZeroRank as well, even though I don't believe I've reached out to them or had any support things. But I want to give them the benefit of a doubt, I believe. And you can go in here too, and just so you guys know, you can come in here, scroll all the way to the bottom, start looking at reviews, start seeing, when they respond. You've got a lot of this. This is the owner, Kelvin, and he responds very quickly, very professionally. And I'd like to come up here to questions. And he is answering questions the same day, right? So that goes into my rating, right? Same day, very professional, he answers everything. So that's why he gets a really good score as well, even though, I've actually shown you that inside of SnowSEO that they literally, I tell them like to make a change and they literally go out and make a change and they've added keyword research to their tool just based on my review and me giving them feedback. And then they went and actually added traditional SEO keyword research right over here. So you can come in here and just show you SnowSEO, come over here, and now they have this new section, keyword research. And honestly, that was because I gave them that feedback that they needed to add this into their tool right here. Okay. That keyword research right over here. So if I say, coffee, if I just, go search for coffee, it's going to go up, it's going to pull keyword data from right here. We've got almost 1,300 keywords right over here. It's going to give the difficulty. So we've got some good keyword research right over here, more traditional keyword research than you're going to get in ZeroRank. So let me go back over here. So AI visibility, I'm going to go right into AI visibility, right? And so that's going to be your AEO, GEO. That's going to be how well you show up in the large language models, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, all those tools. And then also when you type something in, even the AI visibility and AI overview in Google, are you showing up and all that, right? So ZeroRank, obviously, you're going to come over here. You're going to be able to see all of the different, brands of ChatGPT. You've got all this, where you stand right over here. You can go in here and you can look at all the prompts right here. You can go into chats. You can go to sources. You can go to reports and so forth. And then you also have the SnowSEO, and they have an entire area built on AI visibility right over here, competitors overview, citations, and prompts. And you get all of this right over here as well. Very similar total prompts. That is actually one of my grading right there, but I'm going to give the slight edge to, I gave 5 stars to ZeroRank. And I gave 4 stars to SnowSEO. Now, SnowSEO, I'm actually impressed with it. It's pretty dang robust. But I'm gonna give the slight edge to ZeroRank because their entire tool is built around AI visibility, and so I'm just gonna give them the edge on that one. Prompt tracking, 3 stars for SnowSEO, and I'm going to give 5 stars for prompt tracking for ZeroRank right over here because you get a lot more tracked keywords on ZeroRank. The further up you go. Now, if we were just talking about license tier 1, it would probably be a tie. Let me go back over here to SnowSEO and look at just like prompts. Do they AI prompt tracking? They just have it check marked. I don't really know how much they have, but I do know that on their license tier 4 plan, you only get 40 total prompts like at any given time, and that's it. In ZeroRank, you actually max out. I'm going to look over here. You actually max out at like 1,200 prompts that can be tracked on their top plan. So at the end of the day, I've got to give the prompt tracking a 5-star and a 3-star over there with SnowSEO. So keyword research. This is a big one for you guys. So let's go and take a look at that. So we got keyword research. I gave 3-star, and yeah, you know what? And this is how I did it. So SnowSEO, I am giving it only 3 stars. It's decent, but as you can see over here, this is what you're going to get over in SEO. You're going to come over, you're going to go back over here, you're going to go to keyword research. And I like that they added this in a quick, short time, all that stuff, but you know, it's not going to be as good as an Ahrefs tool or a SEMrush or even Ubersuggest, or there's so many other tools that you're going to get thousands of keywords, and I'm not able to get more than about 1,300 keywords for the broadest topics. And there's also a weird thing that happens too. When we click on that, I'll just show you it real quick. There's also something that happens too with keywords. They cut off, and let me go over here and show you. So like keto diet, we'll go and search for that real quick, and let me show you what I mean. So keto diet, we come through here and you'll see sometimes it gets cut off. And let me go and see if I can find one. Yeah, like right over here, keto diet for weight loss, right? But that part is cut off right there. I don't know why. They need to fix that. And that's not because of my screen over here. I can move this, stretch it out as far as I can, and it's still going to do that. Okay, so there's just some little things like that. There's no filters right over here. There's not really a whole lot of long tail keywords. This is, you don't have to get you started, but this, if you're doing traditional SEO keyword research, this is not going to get the job done. You're still going to need another tool. And that's just me being completely honest. So, but keyword research, so it's going to get 3-star there. Keyword research is really almost non-existent. You do get the prompt engineering and all that with ZeroRank, but you're not going to get any traditional keyword research, if that makes sense. So content creation, I think I gave them both 4 stars. They both create. Now, if you want very AEO based content, then ZeroRank is going to win on that. Traditional SEO content, and I think it does have the AEO kind of built in there as well for SnowSEO. But both of them in testing, they both get 4-star. Now Seats, SnowSEO gets 4 stars, and ZeroRank gets 5 stars. They win on that one. Agency potential. So if you're going to buy this tool for agency purposes, I'm going to give 4 stars to SnowSEO and 4 stars for, they're both in their own kind of rights. You can go and take a look at both as far as the user seats. When you have this giant tool over here, you get up to 10 seats, 8 brands right over here, and then ZeroRank. Let's go over to ZeroRank real quick. And they actually have like unlimited seats. So it's not even a thing right there. So, I mean, it just depends what you're looking for. But speaking, this was one that I kind of can't really decide which one is better with agency potential. I'm giving them both 4-star. Integrations, SnowSEO gets 5-star. Integrations 3-star with ZeroRank. There's just far more integrations, but everything over here is just kind of what you need, and it's all ready to go. So if you want like something that's just turnkey and you don't have to integrate, like you kind of have to hook up at least at a bare minimum Search Console to SnowSEO for it to work properly. But over here, you don't have to do anything. So that's kind of like a subjective thing, right? Like I could on some of these, it's very hard to choose, to be honest with you. Integrations, it could win for ZeroRank over here if I was looking at it a different way. Like we don't have to integrate anything, and it works great, right? So, and then traditional SEO, SnowSEO is going to win with 4 stars. And then we have 3 stars over here with ZeroRank. So let me reveal the total or the final scores. So we got a 4.2 out of 5 stars with SnowSEO. We got a 4.1 out of ZeroRank. So the slight edge in my use case and everything goes with SnowSEO. ZeroRank, if you are looking for, now I'm going to come over here to another kind of highlight over here, kind of sum this up. So I'm going to highlight this. So the big picture difference is SnowSEO is a broader all-in-one SEO platform. It gives you keyword research, SEO content generation, website audits, rank tracking, CMS publishing, Google Search Console, analytics style workflow, plus AI visibility tracking. And Appsumo positions it as an Jasper SEMrush alternative. ZeroRank, on the other hand, is more of a dedicated AI search visibility, AI citation tracking platform. It is focused on tracking how your brand shows up in ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, Google AI overviews, Grok, Bing, Copilot, then giving you recommendations to improve AI answer visibility. So if you're looking for straight up AI, an AEO tool, AE and AI visibility, then ZeroRank really does win. But if you're looking for an all-in-one that also has that, SnowSEO, if you were only going to buy one tool and you wanted some keyword research, you wanted rank tracking, all that, and then you also wanted the visibility, SnowSEO is the tool for you. But if you're if you already have Ahrefs, or you already have some of these other tools, but you really want to dive in, you don't want to pay for a SEMrush one and add more to your bill and all that, and you are really focused on AI visibility, then ZeroRank probably is your tool. So they're very, very close, both a little bit different. Both have AI visibility as part of their tool. ZeroRank probably wins in that category just a bit slightly. SnowSEO still impressively does a great job with that as well. I think ZeroRank takes it to the next level, and their entire focus, that's a good way to put it. ZeroRank's entire focus on their tool is AI visibility. So hopefully that will give you more information on which one. So 4.2 for Snow, ZeroRank 4.1. Hopefully, do you guys let me know if you made it this far? Type in SnowSEO versus ZeroRank. And I know you watched the entire video. If you type that in the comments, I really appreciate you. Also, let me know if you like this new little tool that I built. I spent an hour building this dashboard right here that really will help me organize my thoughts and be able to compare these softwares much better and more organized for you. I believe that if I hadn't have done this right here, the way that I did this video probably would have been a 30 or 40 minute video, and we're literally just over 15 minutes. So thank you so much. Again, let me know what your feedback is on this new style of doing versus comparing two softwares. Did you like this format? Did you like my little tool that I built? And then type in SnowSEO versus ZeroRank. And then also after that, you can also say which one you like best. Thank you guys so much. The links to both these softwares, I do recommend both these softwares. I'll leave those below if you want to help support the channel. And then also below that, I will leave the deep dive reviews for both these tools. See you next time.